I wanted to talk to you. I'm Garry Vines with Original Spur Master. Just want to give you a little demonstration on how the call works, maybe to help folks out that buys one, that show them the technique to use to make the calls that you need in the woods. So we're going to start out with just a light yep. Just hold the call kind of soft in your hands. Don't squeeze it. Same thing with your striker marble here. And then all you want to do is just move that call back and forth. As you yelp, you can go with just a light yelp, or if you want to get louder, just put a little more pressure down. If you want to kiki with it, just put your pressure down and just slide it. You go right into a yelp. After you do your kiki, you can go right into a yelp. Never skip a beat. And the more you use it, you can hold your hands different. Take a finger off. You can change the tone of it. You can release one finger. I mean, you get several different sounds of a hen turkey out of this one call. Now the other part, right out of the box. Here's one right out of the box. This is the cluck and yelper, and you hold it a little bit different. You just put your finger and your thumb around it and drop your middle finger down here. Just make you a little cut, and all you want to do is move that thing just as least as you can on that marble to get the cluck. See how little I'm moving that thing? I mean, it's just a pop. Now if you want to do a purr, all you want to do is just roll it. And if you want to do a little tree yelp, just do your little yelp, and they all work out of the box. They all the same. I mean, this is straight out of the box. It's just learning how to hold the call, and the gripping of the call. You don't grip it. You want that thing to vibrate in your hand, and it'll make every call. Now it will not gobble. I can tell you that right now. But if you use this call right, you ain't got to worry about hearing a gobble, because they coming. And the kiki is really what's selling this call. But you can hear the yelp, the kiki, the cluck, the purr. I mean, it's got it all. But the kiki, a lot of people don't like to use the kiki, but I use it a lot. And I've killed a lot of turkeys using the kiki, and come behind it with a little young yelping hen. And I'm here where I usually do a lot of my turkey hunting. And I'd rather not do a whole lot of calling, because I don't want to call up a bunch of turkeys, and it's not turkey season, and I don't like to shoot nothing out of season, but I may have to run them off, get somebody to throw a rock at them or something. But now if that don't sound like a hen turkey, and I don't push my call on anybody. If you satisfied with what you hunting with, hey, I wouldn't change. Hey, don't buy it. But if you need help, that you get on an old turkey that you can't do nothing with, if you'll run this call like it's supposed to be run, I guarantee you're going to kill bigger and smarter turkeys. And I appreciate, anybody that wants to buy it, I do what I can to help you. If you need to call me, call me. I'll help you get started. And, you know, good luck to y'all next year, and I appreciate your time.